I'm back, and this time I want to show you guys what I keep in my bag. I'm an actor. I live in New York City. Oftentimes I have to get somewhere on the train, so I have very strategically broken down everything that I should be keeping in my bag. So let's get into that. Introduction for the bag. This is the Beis Weekender. I think it's the smaller of the two. This thing is life-changing, mainly for the shoe compartment. The worst part about having to pack like shoes and options is that I have to put the shoes in my bag, and then I have to put the shoes in a plastic bag, and then it's just really annoying to like have a plastic bag and something really dirty that touches the ground mixed in with your stuff. So love her. Let's get into it. Portable charger. I love that it also just opens like this. It's everything, guys. A book, journal, and a pen. The wrapper for the hot hands because it was actually like 16 degrees. Oh, I don't usually bring my laptop, but when I travel, I use this bag a lot because there's like a removable electronics pouch. My fiance got me this bag to go with the luggage I already had for Christmas, so came in handy. Then my little makeup pouch. I have to show you this alley-oop like multi-brush thing. It has most of the brushes you need. Another brush, eyeshadow palette, favorite brown lipstick, mirror, mascara, foundation, brow pencil, blush, a bunch of other lip products. And then I have this pouch, which I keep this in my everyday bags that I use, but this has like my essentials in it. Ginger mints, a little mini sunscreen, cuticle oil because it is dry. Oh, another mirror, sanitizer, a Baccarat Rouge, a scrunchie, little Bath & Body Works spray, feminine products, pens. I just love gum. Nail file because I pick at my nails so much when I'm like anxious or anything, so I need to stop that. So I've just been bringing a nail file with me. Tissues, a digital camera, I just bring that everywhere. My supplements and vitamins, I won't show it, but I also have like different undergarments just in case. I have an extra pair of socks, and then some hair products, my AirPods, edge control gel, the brushes, the edge brush, like a satin scrunchie. Okay, so I arrived there in my boots because it was freezing, but given the nature of like what we were doing, I was like, let me bring some nondescript white sneakers just in case. But they also let us keep the sneakers that we wore, so I also was able to fit those in here as well. These are definitely loud for me. They're very comfortable, and I definitely will stand out. I will stand out when I am running or working out now. Look at how easy that was. And that was everything I brought with me on set. That's everything I generally pack with me. Okay, bye!